Hello everyone, there is Strifer Broker, the broker who always pays. Today, traditionally we are talking about the prospects of the market for the coming week. Don't forget to follow us, see the links under the videos and receive bonuses up to 100% on your deposit. This market overview is not investment advice. One should do your own research before making a decision. So, guys, we should say that the situation has remained virtually unchanged over the previous week. The week was in the format of movement within the range, balance, as you can see, and the ideas to strengthen the US dollar are still in force, at least at the beginning of this week. And so, let's go down highlight the main scenarios for the coming week, and you friends, don't forget to write your thoughts and opinions on the market. Okay, let's jump to the chart, and the first pair is eurusd pair. As we said, the situation at the beginning of this week remains the same. We expect a fall from current prices or an unlikely false movement towards to 1.11 exactly. I mean, this resistance area. We place the downside target at the level of 1.08 exactly. And a deeper target may be located at level 1.07 exactly. With the second scenario, the second target, it is better to wait for this level by the first fixing part of profit. And surely don't forget about break even. The next pair, British pound. This week we also don't exclude a potential false breakout of the current local maximum. I mean maximum at the level of 1.28 exactly. The current specificity of the pound is that the current price is trading near these local highs, and these highs may be updated in order to collect liquidity, because a lot of stop loss are located here. According to this scenario, sell players for this pair will be liquidated, and we start to fall. However, we also consider sales from current prices. The target for the fall is the levels of 1.26 exactly and 1.25 exactly. The next one, Swiss franc. Long-term accumulation at resistance at the level 0.8555 exactly continues to persuade us to buy. Here we also expect the US dollar to strengthen. As you see, it should be noted that longer accumulation for this pair says about a more aggressive impulse, which we expect in upward direction. We have two main scenarios for this pair. The first one is current buy orders activate. The second is expected in the format of a false breakout of the lower border of this balance. And we calmly place the growth target at the level near the level 0.86 and 7. Australian dollar. At the moment, the USD pair is breaking through the lower balance line, this balance, and current targets for this pair are located below, namely at the level near the level 0.66 exactly, and near the second support area is located near the level 0.65 exactly. The current accumulated volume of buyers inside this balance allows using this resource to reach these indicated targets. Sell deals at current prices are currently a more relevant scenario for this pair, and even this scenario is the main for this pair. So, and New Zealand dollar, absolutely one-to-one with audusd pair. The scenario for breakout of the lower balance line is the most relevant for this instrument also. Here, the downside target for this pair now is located near the level 0.61 and 35 inside this support area. Canadian dollar. As we noted earlier on the resources, on our resources, this pair is one of the most promising in terms of strengthening on the USD dollar. Additional pressure is fall in oil prices after the escalation situation in the Middle East. I suppose this trend is likely to continue this week. In addition, a failed retest after this breakout adds the seller's resources to the growth, since it is due sales players stop losses that the price will rise. We place a growth target at the level of 1.35 exactly near this resistance area. Japanese yen, we're working on the second scenario for this currency pairs, but at the moment we refuse to sell. So far, only a slight increase is expected towards the levels 147 and 148. Maybe someone, yes. One can expect growth to, as I said, growth up to 147 and 148. But the more priority way now for this instrument, in my opinion, is to take a wait and see strategy, since the specifics of the yen may drop the price down to the level 142 and even lower. And metals. Geopolitical escalation in the Middle East also influence this instrument. Despite this, a fall is technically expected for this instrument, for these instruments also. Although we are obligated to take into account this news background, and in this regard, we can expect an update over the current local maximum at the level of 20 and 60. However, a fall from current prices may also be considered. The accumulated volumes inside this balance will perfectly drop the price down. The expected targets for gold now are at the level of 2020 surely, then 90 and 80. The third target is 1960 and even 19 and 40. So yes, as you can see, we expect there are several targets. 4 targets. The main targets is 2000 exactly, and the second one is 19 and 18. For silver, I still expected a fall only to 21 and 18. Near this support area, buyers may also begin to medium-term growth. So friends, this is the market overview for this week. Thanks for your likes, comments, and watching. Share your ideas, stay with us, follow us, and remember, strive for always pays.